Hi everyone, this is Preeti with the Big Fat Indian Wedding, and I'm here with you today to talk about the new JLab earbuds. And just to let you know, this is a paid partnership with JLab and Best Buy, but the opinions are my own. So let's get started. So JLab has introduced 3 new earbuds. One is the Air Icon, one is the Air Executive, and the Air Sport. They all have a little bit different purposes for what you're looking to do, but they're all really amazing because they're under the $100 price point. So let's look at the Air Icon. They come in these lovely bright blue boxes. And first up is the charging case. I'm going to open it up, and we can pull out one of the earbuds here. And the earbuds just fit into here and here. I'm not going to jam them in. Yep. And you can charge away. The earbuds have about 6 hours of playtime. And this case itself has another 18 hours before you'll need to go and charge it up. To charge, you can just pull out. It's really handy. It's very sleek. Just pull this out and you plug in. It's a little short, so you need to have some either an extra connection or very close to your laptop or computer. But I love them because you can just fit them right into your ear. I have really small ears, and I've shared a couple photos on the website at thebigfatindianwedding.com with me wearing them. But the listening and audio is amazing. So if you've got conference calls or wedding calls or planning calls or just meetings, and you've been the person to have either put people on speaker or you've just not had good wireless earbuds, this is a great choice. And just to let you know, I have pretty small hands, so you can see how big they are. So I'm going to close these up. One thing I really love is that these are all touch. All their earbuds are actually touch sensors, so they have a little bit of a guide here on using the left and right and what it does. You can change volume or a track or even call for Siri or ask Google. Next up, we have the Air Sport, which, as you can guess, are more sports phones. So these earbuds have a nice case, so as you can guess, they're a little bit bigger. And they have a really, really soft over-ear clip to put on, and they fit in lovely. You can just see it just snaps right into place. And again, they charge inside of the case. And here is the connection. What's also really nice is that these are water resistant. So, don't put them in your washer or throw them in the swimming pool, but they are water resistant. So they should last some rain and the sunshine. What's also really nice from JLab is they give you, with all of the 3 sets if you buy, in the bottom here, and they're hiding a bit, but you've got some extra cloud foam tips, which is nice because then you can fit it accordingly. There we go. So you can fit your headphones accordingly to your ear. And you also, with the Air Icon, I didn't show you this before, and the Air Executive, you get some cushion fins. These have a 6-hour charging, the JBuds, and then an additional 34 hours in the case. So you get almost 40 hours. You get over 40 hours of playtime in them. Then we have the Air Executive, and it comes in, which I think is a really nice perk, a vegan leather charging case. I just think it's really nice that they didn't actually use cow leather, that they use vegan leather, but it looks very sleek and stylish. Again, charging out. Here's the charging icon. And just pop them out, and you can see them right here, how small they are. So they have a microphone. And again, they have a little bit of the controls on left and right earbuds, on what you can do on changing your volume or changing tracks, and if you want to accept a call even or hang up on a call, what you need to do. What makes these buds really cool is they are super easy to sync with your phone. Whoop! Don't lose them or throw them, then they definitely won't work. But they sync super easy with your phone, and You just put on make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone and open up in your settings, and you're pretty much good to go. So it's one click, maybe 2 clicks. And again, you put these in, close up, and you can charge. These buds also are 6 hours of playtime on their own, with an additional 24 hours charging with the case, and then you will need to charge the case up. So this is really good for, you know, meetings and conferences if you do a lot of those conference calls. So you don't have to use a speakerphone or even your computer mic. You can just use these and talk with those, with the headphones. And also, like I said earlier, all of the earbuds come with, you have to pop them out a little bit, but come with the little cloud foam tips hiding in here, which is great because not everyone has the exact same ear size, so you get some customization and you don't have to worry about going to buy more pieces. These JLabs are lovely because they are under $100. They are water resistant, and they can make perfect holiday gifts. They're perfect for yourself, they're perfect for your partner, perfect even for your wedding planner. Highly recommend them. If you don't have any sort of wireless earbuds of sorts, look at one of these 3 options: the Air Executive, the Air Sport, and the Air Icon. I'm going to pull them all out for you so you can even see them kind of side by side, what they look like. I do love these blue cases. It wants to close on me. That's okay. And the Icon. So they're all nice and small and sleek cases here. And you can see I'm going to hold one in my hand. Seeing a little bit difference in the sizing of them and how the earbuds look. And they're super easy. They're very durable. You could throw them, but probably shouldn't. And, you know, this is great for any of your conference calls. You want to listen to some audiobooks, you know, when everyone else they listen in on your audiobook or drive everyone else nuts. This is really lovely. And they're super easy to charge. Pop them back in. Pop it back in. Now you can see here the charging to let you know. I'm going to remove these cushion tips here so I can snap them in. 1, and you can hear them just snap right in. So 2, and then again. The little dots. So, and then you plug in. That's it. So I have a complete review on the website at thebigfatindianwedding.com, and the link should pop up here. And so check it out, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining me.